Samuel, tell me the news again.
We're gonna get to be on Preston's and Peter and Emma's team for the cooking competition.
No!
Yeah,
No!
as assistant sous chefs.
What does that mean? They can't have more people, right?
And
Or can they?
we're going to get custom made uniforms to match them.
No.
Yes.
What?
I know.
What? We need to go over to their house and practice then, right?
I know.
Right?
Yeah. Something.
No.
Yeah.
No.
This is gonna be so
Are you
fun.
kidding?
I'm not. This is okay. But here's the catch. If we don't, so if we do it this way instead of signing up through the link that you got,
From DeShaza.
we won't get extra credit. And I know how much we love getting over 100 in our class.
I don't need extra credit.
Yeah, that's what I told him. I was like, we love extra credit, but we don't need it.
I'm sure there'll be another opportunity, right?
Oh, I'm sure.
But remember when Chef Spraga
you-
was like, you can come tomorrow and make banana bread if you want for extra credit, and I was like, yay!
She came up to me, she's like, hey Sam, I know you have over 100 in your class, and you can't have more than 100.
Oh my gosh. That's funny.
Okay.
What?
That's exciting.
Alright, so I totally forgot that I was gonna like kind of video this process just for fun. Just so I can look back on it and remember. Right now, I am cleaning and organizing the baking area, which is so pretty. Well, it will be so pretty. And in the dye drawer, there was an explosion. And so I'm cleaning that up right now. It's pretty crazy. Here are all of the dyes and flavorings. I've cleaned up most of it, but you can still see a little bit of green. Those are all of my wipes. And this is what I am going to organize. Look at all these sprinkles. Wow. Metro?
Oh, right. Oh, wait.
What? This is where you cook? Wow.
So that's on the cutter. Hey.
Hey Sam. Here we are, waiting in line to get our pictures taken. We got our chef uniform.
Your bracelets.
Yeah.
We're waiting for pictures.
Over there. Very cool. Somewhere out here is where we're going to compete on Saturday. There's the grills.
Wait a minute. Oh, we used it as a stand.
We are here for day 2, 3 of the event, and we are getting food. Our uniforms were messed up. Something happened.
Yep,
Not
so
saying
we're just
anything.
here in our
We're getting
normal
food. We're here with the crew. It's okay.
Not really sure what this is, but
Are you vlogging?
I am. Woo! A lot of these schools were his competition in high school. All right, this is it.
Oh, makes sense. I like the last one. Will we like this one though? And we are trying all of these dishes that were prepared by different high schoolers. And they've been good so far. And then we're going to rate them because we have to decide which one is our favorite and we give them a little red ticket. So, very cool.
All right, you got one? Okay,
Okay.
so we're trying the macaroni pulled pork barbecue
Yeah.
with some onion on top. It looks delicious.
That's good. I mean, all of it's good, but it's not as
Although the
special as the
macaroni's
other
really
ones. But
stuck to the paper for me.
oh, yeah. They put
Yeah.
a lot of breadcrumbs as well.
Mm.
The meat.
Definitely pretty good.
But their pork is very good.
No.
Alright, is mine on?
Yep.
Okay. So, we kind of finished eating it.
It was really hard to get the food out of the paper.
Kind of stuck to it. But also,
Yeah.
I just don't feel like it's cheesy enough. It has a lot of breadcrumbs in it. So not cheesy enough for me. Not my favorite.
I think a little bit more cheese.
But the pork was very good.
It was. All right. These look delicious. I can't wait to try it. Hey guys, so we ended up casting in our votes like at the very last minute.
Yes.
I put mine for the rice and chicken. That was delicious.
I casted my vote for this taco right here. Well, you can't really see
Where'd my taco go?
This is your taco.
Oh, she ate hers already. That's how much she loved it.
It was surprisingly good, which is why I gave my vote to them. Because it's not something that I would normally eat, and they made me like it.
She's very picky, so I'm honestly surprised they made something like this that she'd like.
Yeah.
They really deserve that vote.
Yeah,
good job,
this
Hailey.
one was my second favorite.
It was really good.
Sam voted for
loved
the
it.
chicken. So there's the...
I'm a sucker for some rice and chicken.
They called it mango chicken or something, and here's our taco.
Yep. Look at the man over there talking to people. Can you believe it? We're signing the competitors' posters.
And I feel like we're technically competitors because we are assistants.
Well, yeah, of course we are. Go ahead, sign it.
All right. You're putting my name here. There we go.
What an amazing signature she has.
Thank you. Hold on, I do a little smiley face. There.
Beautiful. All right, my turn.
I would not recommend the blue.
Probably going to go for red. I'll put mine right where you can see it. Oh no. These are hard to write with.
Yeah, the blue was kind of hard to write on.
There we go. It looks sloppy, but it's fine.
Beautiful. All right, let's see. I think so.
Which one is that?
I think it was the macaroni. That was unexpected, right?
I wanted the smoked duck to win, but you know what? They deserved it.
Earlier, I was at the World Food Championship reception dinner, which was a little competition between a bunch of different high schools. So that's where I was earlier. But guess what else? I'm going to a guitar / ukulele / music piano voice recital right now. And I'm supposed to perform in it. Oh my gosh, my hair's still in braids. I need to take my hair out of braids. Ah! And we are late.
You're not even dressed.
It started at 7 and it's 8:15 and it just ended, but they're stalling. So
2 people are singing songs that they
weren't planning on singing.
not originally
Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
You know who you are.
I'm pulling a High School Musical right now. That's what I'm trying to do. Instead of the 2 places that I need to go being in the same high school, they're 30 minutes apart. And so I left the event a little bit early.
Early.
Yeah, just like 10 or 15. No, just 10 minutes early. I think I'm just gonna barely get to the recital on time. So, fingers crossed.
In my head, I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching. If I only had a brain, I would stay young and chipper and with a zipper
dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arrive.